In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Canva design. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, which settings to choose, and how to get your finished file on your computer ready to share or print. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Canva website. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your designs. Once you're on the home page, locate the design you want to save. You can open something you've been working on from your recent designs, or choose a template and make quick edits before saving. When your design is open in the Canva editor, look to the upper right corner of the screen. Click the Share button. This is where Canva keeps all the export and collaboration options. From that menu, choose Download. A panel will appear with your download settings. This is the key area where you tell Canva what kind of file you want. Under File Type, open the drop-down and pick the format that matches your goal. For documents and presentations you plan to send or view digitally, choose PDF. If you're sharing online or need images for a website or social post, PNG or JPG works well, and if it's a video design, MP4 is the right choice. For this walkthrough, select PDF, then choose PDF Standard. PDF Standard is optimized for everyday viewing and sharing, keeping the file size manageable while preserving quality. If you were preparing a high-end print, you might consider a print-optimized option, but for most uses, PDF Standard is perfect. Once your file type is set, click the Download button. Canva will prepare your file. You'll see a brief progress indicator while it exports. Just let it finish. If your design has multiple pages, Canva will compile them all into a single PDF automatically, so there's nothing extra you need to do unless Canva offers you a quick confirmation. When the download completes, your browser will place the file in your default downloads location. You can open it straight from the downloads bar or head to your downloads folder to view it. Give your saved file a quick check to make sure everything looks right. Text is crisp, images display properly, and pages are in order. That's it. You've successfully saved your Canva design using the Share menu, Download, and PDF Standard settings. Now you're ready to attach it to an email, upload it to a site, or keep it for your records with confidence.